Alright guys, made it down to the creek. We're gonna throw some top water. First cast. Ooh, something just popped out of there. Got him. Oh, I just got off though. So we're gonna try over here. Not much going on over in the other spot. Hopefully we'll have some luck over here. There's one, guys. First cast. Nice bass. Nice little guy. First cast over here. Here he is, guys. First bass of the day. Little smallie. Just let him go. Wrong, dude. That way. There you go. Hey, let's keep it going, guys. Look at this, guys. That's a big snake. Look at that. This, the skin of it. That's half of it. Oh, I hate snakes, guys. I hope I don't come across any. Alright, guys. This is what we got. We're on a rooster tail. Let's catch something down here. Good job, guys. Little smallie on the rooster tail. There he is, guys. Little smallie on the rooster tail. He's a dark one. Let him go. There's one, guys. Came off again. Little bass here, guys. And little rooster tail. Little guy. There's one, guys, little guy. Better than the last one, though. Nope, he popped off. Little bass there. He's really small. Look how small he is. Okay, guys, I just found the spot. Taking a path back to my car instead of walking the creek, and this is what I find. There's a section here. There's a section over here. Let's see if there's any fish in here. Got a pickerel in here, guys. Oh yeah. Nice pickerel. Look at this one, guys. Look at those teeth. Let him go. Check it out, guys. My GoPro is out of batteries, but look at this guy. Big old bass. That's gonna do it, guys. Sorry I didn't get those last few catches. I don't know, I'm having issues with my batteries, so first thing I'm going to do when I get home on Amazon, I'm going to order a few more, and hopefully I won't have an issue like that again. 2 of my batteries said they were fully charged when I left the house, and they were completely dead. So but yeah, I definitely found that new spot, and I really think it's going to be a good thing. Not sure if it's private or not, but it was right off the creek, and I mistakenly found it. So but yeah, I got that bass, crappie, and that pickerel there. And then I got a few small bass, smallmouth bass. And then I did get that one pretty decent smallie off the Whopper Plopper. But like always, guys, thanks again for watching. And I appreciate all the nice comments and everything. And stay safe and have a wonderful day. Thank you.